Going down to Heinz Field here in beautiful Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania to link up with some YouTubers, some bikers, some characters of all kinds. But I just wanted to give you a brief update. We're going to go out, do a little ride, maybe get a little racing in too, obviously. Meet some new people. There's supposed to be multiple gsxr 750s here today, BMW, and we're not sure who else is coming, but the more the merrier. So I'll bring you guys back in when we get here. Thanks for watching. It's like we're at a race. Here we go, guys. We made it down here to Heinz Field. Buddy Randy Fidelity should already be over here waiting for me. We are going to get over here, park with these gentlemen, and see who all showed up. Sometimes when we do these meetups, we get people who show and people who don't, so. Meantime, I'm gonna get back with you guys here soon. Yo. Yeah.
So we're about to take off here. We got a lot of bikes that showed up. These 750s that are about to get flat down. You got a s1000 over there.
That thing loud as shit! Why are you going left?
Alright. I don't know which other way to go.
Alright. Getting it again. Got him again. Oh, they're holding for the team. Kill mode. And then fucking those are my guys right there. Yep. Skywalking and wheeling in I don't know how long. Somebody hurry up, get up and flag it. fucking walking the front wheel. Hurry up and jump up here. Gotta put that wheel down, and I'll leave them every time. Savagery! The Ninja H2 is savagery!
Ride or race.
I hope you guys enjoy watching my content, and I hope you enjoy the 2019 Kawasaki Ninja H2. Until next time, Select Ride or Race, make sure you go on my channel, find my YouTube, Select Ride or Race. Don't miss us.